Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. I make videos on luxury fashion, style, handbags, so if you love that type of video, please stick around. Please watch this video. If you love what you see, I would love it if you would hit subscribe and then you can be back on my channel for more videos. So today's video is going to be a video where I'm going to show you guys what fits in the Chole Nile handbag. Now if you recently saw my video I posted not too long ago, you'll see that I unboxed the Chole Nile handbag, or I revealed it on my channel, and I got it from Fashion File for a really good deal, like in under $400, like $350, but the wear on it is just crazy and it was a big fail, unfortunately. That being said, I still haven't returned the bag yet. I am going to, but before I do, I kind of want to see and show you guys what fits in it, because even though I may not keep this particular bag, I'm still kind of thinking if this is a bag that I want to have for the future, just in better condition. And I may never get it for that price again, but I'd rather have a bag where I feel comfortable using it because it's not so worn. So I still have the bag, it still has tags and everything on it. Let me show it to you guys. So this was the bag. I know you see all that, like, that just looks terrible with the wear on it. Sorry, I just dropped something. Yeah, you can see how badly it is, and it's purely from this bracelet being like this. So I would definitely encourage you guys, if you have this bag, do not leave the bracelet part like that. I would probably just flip it around to the back, let it hang more like this so it doesn't do that, because other than that, this bag is pretty good condition. You can see the back. There again is the front. The bracelet part is this beautiful gold bracelet. This one is in the burnt sienna color, I think is the name of it, which is like this burgundy red, and it opens up like this. I've got the Fashion File tags still tucked inside. Here's the opening. It's got like a little sticker, Chloe sticker in there. The authentication card. It came with the dust bag and everything, and it's just a one like a open pocket that's lined with suede, slip pocket. It's got a little back pocket which you can really barely fit anything in, maybe some cards, and then it's got like a magnetic closure here, which is pretty strong, I would say. Yep, you can hear it click. So that's how it looks like. Again, if it didn't have this wear in front, because when you carry it, you're going to carry it like this. And you can wear it crossbody like that, but I mean, the main reason to have this bag is because it's a bracelet bag and you're going to wear it, you know, like on your arm like that. So this, I just don't think there's any way to get rid of this, and I just know I'm never going to wear it. You know, it looks like that. But I wanted to show you guys what fits in it, because it's not too much. So now my phone, I have a Samsung Galaxy, I think S11. Does not fit. I can stick it, and I'm filming on it so I can't show it to you guys, but I can fit it long ways into this back pocket, and it would like stick out like up to here. I could, like, if I really needed to be like hands-free, but that would really stretch out this back pocket, so I'm not sure if that would be the smartest thing to do. But interiorly, so once you have a really small phone, I think phones nowadays are just not going to fit inside, but I did want to see what else fits in here. So I've got my key clay from Louis Vuitton, and this one does fit in there, no problem. This is what I use as my wallet, coins, everything's kind of in there, cash, credit cards, so that is always a great need to have, so that fits perfect. This has like my headphones in it. It's like a little Kate Spade thing. It just has my headphones that also can fit in there. I'm going to show you guys like just like a pen will fit. You can actually push it down. I normally have like a chapstick. This is just like the Burt's Bees chapstick here. So this one also can fit in there. And I don't like to do too much Tetris. I like to be able to just like kind of be easily able to grab things. So I can easily grab that. There's still lots of room. I've got a lipstick, and that can also fit, so you can fit several little products in there. This is like just like a little lotion, so like a little hand lotion or hand sanitizer, which would be like roughly about the same size, can also fit in there pretty well. I've got my keys. Normally, I actually love that little thing, but keychain. But normally, sometimes I'll have more keys on here, like my car keys on here. But right now, I don't have them. But those can just go like right there on top. Sunglasses is like a must for me. That's when it gets a little tricky. I'm not sure if I can fit the sunglasses now. I don't always need headphones. If I take the headphones out, I would say I usually need to have like a hand sanitizer, a hand lotion, 1 or 2 lip products, my wallet. I need to have the keys I need to have. So those I can actually put down like that. And then the sunglasses actually will fit. You can close that easily. So I would say everything fits other than the phone. Like that's the main thing that does not fit in there. And the other thing that I also often love to carry is a water bottle. That's not going to fit in there. So those are probably the 2 things, or if you have like bigger keys. But otherwise, like I can pretty much open this and, you know, comfortably, like the sunglasses will comfortably. Now, if you have a big case, it's not gonna do that. Let me show you. I think I have a case right here. I've got like a Ray-Ban case with sunglasses inside. Yeah, that will not fit. And then you could shove it in there. And you could like shove it there, but it really stretches it out. And then it's a hard time to close it. So yeah, I would not say that fits. If you have like a soft case, yeah, it's hard to get out. So there's that. Like a softer case, like I have one of these like little soft cases with some sunglasses in here. This one fits. So you could do like a soft case. And that closes pretty easily. So that one fits well. It's like almost the exact same color. But normally, to be honest, I don't have a case, or I have a really soft case, and I just throw my sunglasses usually on the top. So I look at that fits. So yeah, the main essentials that I would ever carry in my bag: phone, wallet, keys, sunglasses, a lip product, and like a hand sanitizer or a hand lotion. So I would say I can pretty much fit all of those comfortably. And if you didn't have like such a thicker wallet, just like a card holder or something, you even have more space on the pens. I put a pen in there to show you, but honestly, I would say most of the time I don't have a pen. Most of the time in my bags, again, I'm gonna just have wallet, lip products, hand lotion or hand sanitizer, keys, sunglasses, which sometimes are on my head, but they're not. They fit. So, okay, this is the small size, so it's not bad as far as capacity goes. Oh, I hate to look at that. That's when I know the bag needs to go back. But this is it. It fits. It's not too heavy. It's pretty comfortable. I could put my phone back here if I needed to, absolutely. Yeah, so I don't know. I think this is still a bag I like. I just need to find it in a better condition, and we'll probably have to pay a little bit more for it, but at least it's not crazy for a price. Like when it first came out, I still do kind of like the bag. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Is this a bag that you think is still worth to get? I know it may not be in as it was before, but like, do you guys still love this bag? Would you still get it if you don't have it? And do you think this size is the size you would get? Because there is a size up, it's a size medium, which I think proportionally with the bracelet, I like this look better, but that one definitely would fit phones and things, you know, much easier. So let me know what you guys think, and hopefully, again, if you like this type of video, especially handbag and luxury videos, you'll give this video a thumbs up below, and then please subscribe so I can see you on my channel for more videos. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!